Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm back with a color with me. This one is from Hero Arts, Santa's Elves, and I actually probably colored this back sometime in December, and I just never had the time to do the voiceover. And sadly, this is the last one I have colored, so I definitely need to get back up there and choose a different image, choose the markers I want to use, and get coloring again because I do miss it. It's so relaxing. And the images are small enough that I don't need, it doesn't take me like an hour and a half each. It's about 20 minutes and an image is done. So I need to get back into that because I was just kind of getting comfortable with coloring with Copics and I don't want to lose that. But let's talk about the Copics that I use for this little girl here. Her face is E000 and E00, E01 and R20. Her hair is E43, E44, and E47. Her hat and trim is C1 and C3. The hat trim, sorry. Her boots, her belts, and the trim on her outfit is RV10, RV11, and RV21, and her outfit is B32 and B34, B37. Now, it has been absolutely just so busy around here, and I'm happy to say, if you haven't watched my other videos, that I have finally moved over all my videos. I had till February 1st, and I finished on January 30th. So it was a close call. And also, if you've ever had a class with me, if you're on the Facebook group for that class, so let's say if you took Scrapathon 10, well, go to that Facebook group, Scrapathon 10, and the new links are there. And the reason I did that is to try to save me a lot of emailing, because you can go to literally every Facebook group that I had a class and the link is there, because the only people that were in that group were the people in the class. So it's, the links are there. Now there's a couple exception to that. I think 2-page spread, the first one and the second one is in there, and stretch your kit, because that was before I started, making Facebook groups for everything. But apart from that, you should be able to get all your links from the Facebook groups. I did that the other night. I did all the ones that I had, and they're all uploaded. Now that that is done, it'll be back to regular programming, and what I'm going to try and do is upload a video every second day here on YouTube instead of like Monday to Friday, just so that I can kind of get caught up again, because where I had some videos where I had a lot of stuff ahead, I no longer have anything ahead. I'm basically just filming as I'm putting up. So bear with me, I am back, but it might take me, a little bit to get back into the full swing of things. So the Ohuhu markers that I use is, for the face is R18, R19, and R20. The hair is 280 and 210. The hat trim is CG00 and CG2. The boots, belt, and trim is R21 and R22. And the outfit is PB1 and PB2. Now I have to say, the only really difference that I find between the Ohuhu and the Copics is that the Copics is a whole lot easier to find 3 colors that go together, because, if you start with, say, B, well, if you go B9, B11, and B13, those 3 colors should be a good combo to put together. I find with the Ohuhu, it's a whole lot harder, and I would definitely suggest making yourself a little sample of all the colors. They have printouts on their website that you can print out and then color in, because ever since I started doing that and not depending on the color on the cap, I'm finding it a whole lot easier to find colors that match together. Now this should be, the last Christmas one that I do. I did quite a bit. I was flipping through my dot journal yesterday and I'm like, I have a lot that is related to Christmas, and I'm going to start working on my document December daily again. I took pictures for all 31 days. Now I just have to take the time and print the pictures and put them in, on the pages. And I think I only have 5 pages left to do, with which I should be able to do this Thursday. So the Thursday live is going to count as a video. Do you know what I mean? So today this is going up. So Thursday will be the live, and then Saturday will be a video, if you know what I mean. So here are the 2 colorings that are done. And what I do is I put a C in the back of one of them, the one that is Copic, just so that I know which one is what. Now, what I started doing is I started, actually almost at the very beginning, is I took a dot journal and I stamp the stamp set inside. I take a small 1/8 washi tape and I kind of frame it. And that again was out of necessity because I messed up once and I had to put extra paper there. And you could see the paper and I didn't like it. So I just kind of put a washi tape around it and I'm like, you know what? I actually like that. So then I went back and put washi tape around all of them. And then it gives me a spot to put the image that I colored in. Then I build a little box and then I take some watercolor markers and I just color in every second line. And then I write down all the colors that I use. 1, so that I can tell you which color I used. But not only that, 2, if I ever want to do this one exactly like it again, I know which markers I used. And 3, it's actually so much fun to have them in a dot journal. I can flip through it. I can see all the images that I colored. And then I can decide, okay, well, next time I want to do this or that, or, oh, this one I've already done it, but maybe I could do it in a different color. Instead of in a container that they're all one on top of the other, it would be really hard for me to figure out which one I've done and which one I haven't. But that's it. That is going to complete this color with me. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.